Hello, wealthy, successful, money making traders. This is your trader's friend. Thank you for joining me today for another video. Guys, I'm so glad you can be here with me. And I started making this video earlier and I decided against it. And the reason I did is because I don't want you to continue to see me, quote unquote, doing the wrong thing. But I decided to go ahead and make the video anyway because it shows you the price action past where I was trading last night. It just so happened when I woke up, I saw an opportunity in the market and I took it. And I took a short based on the way price was hesitating here. So I went ahead and shorted this market. And yeah, I didn't really want you to see that because I don't want to teach you the not best habits. So you can see that I currently have my window here so that I can close myself out if the trade goes against me. Currently I'm in about 9 pips worth of profit. It may or it may not work out for me, but I do want to remind you that trades against the trend, generally they're going to yield less money. But let's go ahead and shrink this chart some so that we can take a look at the price action from last night. Okay, I overdid that a little bit. Maybe we need to blow that up. Okay, this is where we were in the last video, and I was saying, oh guys, we're just not getting a whole lot of price action, and you can see what happened. This is something that I absolutely want to warn you about. A lot of times at the end of the trend you will have a price acceleration, whether it's up or whether it's down, but many times this will happen to you. So watch out if at the end of the trend you start to get running price action and you won't know it's the end of the trend. But we were in a counter trend trade last night. It was the only trade that presented itself to us, so I went ahead and took that trade. But the reason I'm making this video is to show you how the market then turned around and engulfed most of that price action. Guys, if you see that you're in a situation where you have lost your advantage, nobody wants to lose money in the market, but your first job always is to protect your capital, always. And you can see if you put your initial stop loss below this candle, how that was never violated. Even as you continued to move your stop loss, you never did get the break and close below this big pink candle, and then price just continued on in harmony with this short term trend. So just kind of watch out for these things in the market. Now I got in prematurely. You can see we do not have the break and close below any of these big pink candles, but I just went ahead and shorted based on price hesitation here. But again, you see how far it is that I'm away from the overall trend. This isn't going to yield me very much. This is pretty much a scalper's trade for me, and this is what I did not want you to see. But guys, trades in harmony with your overall trend will always yield you more money. Also, look at this big fake out. Look at this huge fake out. And I was asleep for all of this. I was asleep for all of this, so I missed out on any money going to the bullish side. But you can see how we had this huge fake out candle, but this fake out candle again did not close below this previous big pink candle. And remember, we follow our price action on the big pink candle, but we did get a break and close below this candle, and it was perfectly fine at this point for you to go ahead and protect your profit. But then again, you got this reversal and price going back in harmony with that overall trend. Even if you'd gotten in here, then you still would have come out pretty good on that trade. Guys, I just want to remind you that you can absolutely do this. You can be successful at Forex. Have a terrific, wonderful, loving weekend.